sometimes difficult to find the perfect gift for a child, and it's sometimes even harder for parents of children with disabilities. But a mom and former pediatric oncology nurse based right here in Sacramento is working to change that. There's a way to buy a toy and use it as a teaching tool. So this morning we welcome Mary Jenner. She is the owner of the Butterfly Pig. Mary, good morning. It is a pleasure to meet you.
Yes, thank you for having me.
First of all, let's go back a little bit. How did the idea come about?
Well, as a pediatric oncology nurse, I found that it was so much easier to do procedures on patients when they understood what was going to happen.
Sure.
And I did that with toys that I'd create. So I'd put IVs and stuffed animals, and that really brought forth this whole idea.
Yeah, okay, so let's talk about some of the things that you have. Let's start over here. We see the doll, but talk about what she has on.
Yeah, so the great thing is people don't have to buy dolls or stuffed animals for these to fit. They can use it with dolls and stuffed animals they already have.
Okay.
So we have a cardiac monitor, hearing aids, pulse oximeter, ankle foot orthotics, and more hospital-based devices like the feeding pumps, infusion pumps, nebulizers, echoes. I could go on. We have over 50 devices now that we've created.
Let's talk about some of the other things back here that folks may not be able to see. Explain what this is.
Yes, so these are noise-canceling headphones or ear defenders, which a lot of kids use. So we have them doll size, Barbie size, and these are elf size. So
nice.
For Elf on the Shelf.
Let me turn this around to the camera here. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so
this is little Christmas holiday-themed AAC device.
Okay.
So that's also for the elf. We have bigger doll-sized ones, but it's holiday-themed, so the Elf on the Shelf can have a little AAC, just like their AAC users.
Of course, because this is a time where a lot of families are talking about and thinking about purchasing things and shopping. What have you seen has made the difference with these devices?
Well, a huge part of it is it's great for play therapy and helping kids cope with the medical procedures that they're undergoing. But even more so, it's the representation. So kids are just happy to see themselves in their toys. Every kid wants to identify with their toys.
Yeah, absolutely. One of the things I read on your website, it says normalizing differences at a young age is what will help build the foundation for a more inclusive next generation. I absolutely love that.
Yes.
I love that because it really does teach children, like you said, how to understand what they're going through, but then to understand what maybe others in their class may be going through, other children that they know.
Yes, like my daughter who's 4 years old, she loves learning about this stuff, and kids are curious creatures. So when you see people with medical devices out in public, then this way they have an understanding and know what it's for.
Yeah,
so it's
absolutely.
really neat.
And you also have glasses. I mean, you have all of it. So it's not just some of these things on the website. But here's the other thing. It's not just the devices. It's also a book, too, a companion book.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's talk about that.
So I wrote a book called The Butterfly Pig. It's a pig born with butterfly wings who first feels like he doesn't fit in. It's a story of inclusion, embracing differences, and self-love. And that's ultimately why I named the business after it, because it's those same principles.
Sure, yeah.
Loving yourself and others no matter what differences.
I absolutely love it. As a mother of 2 toddlers, I mean, it is the thing that you want, is for your kids to really understand and to, respect other people's differences.
Exactly.
I love that. I love that. A pleasure meeting you. We do have the information there on the screen. TheButterflyPig.com is where you can check it all out, again, as you're planning to shop for the holidays.